So we are gonna go pick up something in the truck. Well, we might pick up something. We're gonna go check something out. Probably won't film anything with the seller, but if I do pick it up, I'll maybe get some shots of it coming home or when I get home. So yeah. All right, I stopped you in the middle of this video of going and picking up something cool to wish you a happy New Year's, happy 2023. This year's gonna be freaking epic. Starting with this freaking sick video I've actually had for like 3-4 months and had a lot of fun. So I filmed some videos with it as well. But today's just the reveal video. So let's jump right into that. All right, it's the next day, but this is what I got. She's a little dusty. Could use like some spray wax, but she's clean. She's mint. She is fantastic. So we're gonna get some reactions from my cousin and then my best friend, who also has a sport quad. Hence why I got one. Hence why I went with one, and got a flag that came with it. Tires, pedals. Yeah. So let's go get some people's reactions. That's pretty sweet. Dude, it's just unreal, honestly. Love all the bushes that like hide it. That's what's up. Mint freaking paddles.
Dude, go get the keys. Let's start it up.
I gotta show you this.
Oh, you got a four-wheeler?
Yeah.
That's nice, dude.
Yeah, I like it. I like it's pretty sick. I got me some paddles.
Wow.
A flag.
When did you get it?
Last night. I didn't film myself getting it or anything. I filmed right before I went and got it, but I didn't film it. All right, well, we're gonna start it up. All right, we're gonna get Keith's reaction now to said purchase. We got Braxton's, we got Chloe's, so now let's get Keith's.
Ooh, sports quad. What the hell? Oh, wait, no, it's you.
That's fine.
Yamaha!
Fuel injection.
That's all I can hear screaming is Yamaha!
You know what
It
I
makes me
hear?
wanna get my
You know what
dad's.
Yamaha stands for? You and me are hauling
ass!
But yeah, that's my new
How many
purchase.
speeds is it?
5 with reverse.
Oh, is the reverse down and then 5 up?
So reverse, you have to pull the lock out and then it's down.
Okay.
All right, well, hopefully you enjoyed everyone's reactions and me starting up my quad. It just got me my first like actual power sports equipment thing, other than because I obviously have my truck and then my car and then like mini bikes, but theirs aren't the greatest for like going to the dunes or going for a long rides with friends. All my friends have dirt bikes. We're going riding with dirt bikes, and it's super epic. So stay tuned for all the adventures with that thing. It's gonna be freaking epic. Yeah, real short video today. First time coming back after being super sick for the last 2-3 weeks. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passion.